All right, everybody, what's up? Heading out on the bike today, going to the tax and license place. I'm giving my car away. I'm gonna sign the title over to my brother. So we got us a new vehicle, and my old car, it's not worth much, so I just told him he could have it. So that's where we're heading. It's cloudy. It is, let's see, 79 degrees outside, and it is December the 16th, 2021. That's good old Louisiana for you. 79 degrees in December, so now we're used to it. Get on this side over here. They're working on the sidewalk on the other side of the road, so kind of anxious to see if I get there before he does. He called me and we left about the same time to go there. He's a little bit further away than I am, but he's in a vehicle, so we shall see. If you're ever coming through West Monroe, Louisiana, take the Thomas Road exit and go eat there. Pizza, Johnny's Pizza, it's pretty good. All right, so it's just right up here. We're almost there. Oh, that wind's bad, I tell you. It's really blowing. Right back here. so we got here. Where's my key? There it is. All right, so let's get everything out. I'm gonna stop the video while I go in there, so I'll see y'all in a minute.
Come here, Casey. Casey.
No, get on. Don't, you gonna fall. You gonna fall.
Why you not after the damn money? You fucking
I got it on video.
There you
Oh, she's mean, huh? She's mean.
$57 a month.
What is?
Max, get over here. That's cheaper than what they quoted me earlier. Before they quoted me 67. 67.50 is what they quoted.
Did they? You want to ride it?
No, not right now.
Yeah.
You're oh no. No, you may fall. You may fall.
Give me. I want to ride it.
Hey, we gotta go. I gotta go take Bubba.
I want to ride it.
I got to go up this
ride it.
Say hi to everybody on YouTube. Say hi, Max. Say hi. Right here, right here.
Then you'll be on YouTube. When you watch YouTube, you'll see yourself. Come on. Hey, Steve, don't run nobody over.
Oh no. Bye.
Come on, Max. Max, grab Casey's hand. Do you have to wear that helmet?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta turn it on.
Why?
Well, it hooks up to my phone, and when somebody calls me, I can answer it.
Hello.
When somebody calls me, I can answer it with my helmet.
You got a microphone?
Yeah. Microphone
You got
here.
it all figured out.
Got a lab mic right here. Picks up the sound. There's my lab mic, and then
Do you even pedal anymore? You got...
I do a little bit.
I'll tell you that.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I'm ready to take
All right, so we're heading back now. Took a little while. So we're heading back. He got everything done. Everything's in his name. Got his license plate and all that good stuff. All right, so I think I'm gonna call it a video. As usual, I will leave the camera running. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.